Hi there, welcome. My name is Heather from yogabyheather.com, and this is a 4-minute breathing exercise to help you chill out, relax your nervous system. This is something that's going to be great for you to do first thing in the morning, before you go to bed, before you head into a stressful meeting, even really great to do when you get back out to the car after you're in the gym. So you obviously don't want to do this while you're driving. But this is a really great breathing exercise called Dirga. This is something that you can do at any time to just help you chill out. It's 4 minutes, real quick, and you're going to feel amazing after you are finished. So, what we're going to do is get into a comfortable seated position. You can do this lying down, you can do this sitting in your car, again, parked, not driving. Sitting in your chair at the office, wherever it is that is comfortable for you, or wherever it is that you happen to be right now. So, you're going to come to a comfortable seated position. You're going to sit with your spine long if you're laying down. Have your spine nice and long. You're going to place your palms on your belly and breathe into your lower lungs. So you're going to breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. And again, in through your nose and out through your mouth. Just notice your natural breath here. You don't need to watch me. You can close your eyes. Notice how you're breathing, feeling your diaphragm drop and your belly expanding into your palms. Continue to do this a few rounds on your own. And now take your palms and bring them to the side of your rib cage. You're going to breathe into your chest, feeling your rib cage expand. So inhaling through your nose, filling your belly, expanding your rib cage. You're going to feel that expand on the side of your rib cage. Continue this. You can repeat this on your own. Breathing into your belly, into your rib cage. Breathe into the chest. Breathe in, fill your belly, expand your rib cage, and breathe out. Next, bring your fingertips to the front of your chest, just below your collarbones. And now you're going to breathe in through the upper part of your chest. So fill your belly, expand your rib cage, and then lift your chest. Fill your belly, breathe in. Feel your rib cage expand, and then lift your chest and breathe out. Breathe into the upper part of your chest, feeling your hands lifting, and continue on your own. Fill the belly, expand the rib cage, lift the chest. Now we'll combine all three. So take your left hand on your heart, your right hand on your belly. Sip in, breathe in, all the way expand your belly. Feel it coming in through your rib cage and lifting your chest. So all three breaths in a nice fluid way. Allow that exhalation to be long and soft. Fill the belly, expand the rib cage, Lifting your chest. Breathe into your chest and exhale long and soft. Breathing in and exhaling softly. And when you're ready, you can flutter your eyes open. Just notice how you feel. Do you feel more relaxed? Do you feel more chill? Do you feel ready to tackle what you've got next on your plate, on your agenda? Thank you for joining me for this 4-minute pranayama exercise that we call Dirga. This is a wonderful exercise that you can do, a breathing exercise that you can do before or after anything that you've got going on in life. So thank you. If you are interested in joining me for other yoga practices, you can check out my offerings at yogabyheather.com. Thank you for joining me. I'll talk to you soon. Thank you.